Three of the hardest things to do in life are getting out of bed, actually going to the gym, and properly installing a screen protector. Thankfully, Spigen has solved all three problems with this, the Glas.tR EZ Fit. They've basically made the process of installing a screen protector foolproof, which means it's so easy to do, you'll want to get out of bed to do it. And there's no strength required, so you can completely just skip the gym or call it a cheat year or something. So let's check it out. So let's get right into it. This is the whole rig that comes inside the box, ready to be installed in literally under a minute, which is probably longer than my love life and a lot less raging. It's just a simple molded tray to fit your iPhone with the screen protector installed and aligned perfectly already. Spigen does include several accessories to make it impossible to screw this up to: wet wipes, dust stickers, a fairly thick rubber squeegee, further instructions if you really do a whoopsie and mess up, and a good old microfiber cloth. Oh, and also instructions with pictures on it in case this whole thing wasn't obvious enough already, although it does mention to clean your hands first, something I rarely do. So starting with that, rub-a-dub-dub, we're ready to go. Starting with your filthy iPhone screen, wipe it down with the included wet wipe, dry it off with the microfiber cloth. For those pesky little dust monsters, use the included dust stickers and dab around it. And no, not that kind of dabbing your dad does. Once you're all clear, start with the sticker that says 1, peel it off, flip it over, and slam that baby on. Here's where all the magic happens. Thanks to the hard molded plastic, it aligns the whole thing for you. You literally cannot miss. It wouldn't fit otherwise. Then you just swipe the orange tag that's labeled 2, like you've practiced doing on Tinder for the last year, and just wait for 30 seconds as instructed. Or if you're impatient like I am, when the air bubbles are mostly gone, you can start to peel the sticker away. This will release the plastic tray, which then allows you to lift, and voila, centered properly. And I didn't swear a single time in this whole process. Peel that final layer of plastic film off, and well, bam, alakazam. Any bubbles that are left, you can use the squeegee to squeege them out. Verifying around the screen, the top notch fits around the cameras and speakers nicely. It's also evenly spaced around the edges, and I didn't have to peel and reapply like 7 times. Testing the actual iPhone 11 Pro screen with it on though, everything feels just as smooth. I don't feel the need to push any harder, and the edge swiping registers every time. But let's put it to the real test with some intense gaming. Second place, I'll take it. Overall, 10 out of 10 for ease of install, and 13 out of 10 for not having to throw my phone across the room in a fit of rage trying to align the screen protector properly. Anyways, moving on to a new iPhone 11 device, the same exact process as the 11 Pro we just saw. Clean it, peel it, smack it, and reveal. Now the Glas.tR is rated with a 9H, which simply means it should be really scratch resistant. So let's test that out. I'm thoroughly surprised. I thought it'd do well, but I really tried to scratch it and just couldn't do it with my wimpy arms. If all else fails, you can confidently throw this in your pockets with some keys and change, worry-free. Finally, the big problem most of us run into: will this fit your case? Thanks to the generous gap it leaves around the edges, the screen protector fits almost all cases I've tested, plus the whole lineup from Spigen. These may not be the toughest screen protectors out there, but they can take everyday light abuse and makes up for a lack of taller bezels on other cases. So to finish off the video, because it is just a screen protector and there's only so much I could say and test, other than the fact that it was truly the easiest install I've ever done thanks to these plastic trays, I will clarify and say it isn't the best for drop protection, and that goes for any glass screen protector because in the end it's still just glass. The main benefit of glass screen protectors over plastic, or what I call flimsy ones, is clarity, because it's like staring at your actual iPhone screen and the screen protector is pretty much invisible. Of course, that is on top of the added benefits such as the 9H scratch resistance and the oleophobic coating on the screen protector for some fingerprint resistance. But do bear in mind, like the coating on the iPhone 11 screen itself, it will eventually fade away, like my abs. So to top this all off, I went on the Amazon product page for the EZ Fit on the 11, the 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max. I went to the question section to see anything I could answer and ease the confusion for this product specifically. So here are a few. First question is, does this come with 2 installation trays? Yes, it does, along with 2 screen protectors. If you install this with or without a case on, the trays are measured to the exact dimensions without a case. Does it fit the X, the XS, and the 11 Pro? Yes, the 10 and 10S and 11 Pro all fit together. The 11 Pro and the 10S Max fit together, and the XR and the regular 11 all fit together as well. Does this have a notch cutout? Yes, it does. What's the thickness of the glass? It's about 1 millimeter. It's hard to tell. It's probably less, actually. Are the installation trays reusable? No, they're a one-hit wonder. Once you use it, it's done. Does it cover edge to edge? Is there a gap? It does not cover edge to edge. It covers edge to edge of the active screen. There will be a gap between the case and the screen protector. That's mainly for case compatibility, like we saw. These two, I guess, can be combined. Can it be removed easily? And does it leave residue when removed? The one I just installed, removing it. No residue. Confirmed. Last one I think is a fairly important one. Does it affect touch sensitivity? Do you have to push harder? From my experience, no. Everything seems just as responsive. And that's it. Let me know in the comments what accessories you want me to check out. I rest my screen protector.